Welcome all. When admitting a new partner to a partnership firm, a lot of accounting adjustments need to be made. For that, one such major adjustment is the valuation and treatment of goodwill. I posted in the previous video about how to make adjustments for goodwill at the time of admission of a new partner. So everyone can watch and understand it. If you have not subscribed in my channel, kindly subscribe it and give your likes and share this video to the others also. Now let us see about different methods of valuation of goodwill. The value of the reputation of a firm is called goodwill. That is, the present value of a firm's anticipated excess earnings is called goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible real asset. In partnership firm, goodwill valuation is very important. Thus, we will here discuss about the various methods of goodwill valuation. The various methods that can be adopted for valuation of goodwill are: first one is the average profit method, the second one is super profit method, and third one is capitalization method. The average profit method is divided into two methods. The first one is simple average profit method and the second one is weighted average profit method. In the simple average profit method, the goodwill evaluation is done by calculating the average profit by the number of years. It is called years purchase. It can be calculated by using the formula, that is, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. The average profit will be calculated by total profit for the given years divided by number of years. In the second method, weighted average profit method, the last year's profit is calculated by a specific number of weights. It is used to obtain the value of goods, which is divided by the total number of weights for determining the average weight profit. This technique is used when there is a change in profit and giving high importance to the present year's profit. It is evaluated by using the following formula. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. Here, the weighted average profit is calculated by sum of profits multiplied by weights whole divided by sum of weights. The second main method for valuation of goodwill is super profits method. Super profit is a surplus of expected future maintainable profits over normal profits. The steps involved in calculating goodwill are: first, you have to calculate capital employed. Second, you have to calculate normal profits by multiplying capital employed with normal rate of return. That is, normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. The third step is to calculate average maintainable profit. The average maintainable profit is to be calculated by total profits divided by number of years. That is, average profit is equal to total profits divided by number of years. The fourth step is to be calculated super profit. The super profit is to be calculated by subtracting normal profits from average profits. That is, super profit is equal to average profits minus normal profit. The last and fifth step is to calculate goodwill by multiplying super profit by number of years purchase. That is, the goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. The third method for calculating goodwill is capitalization method. Under this method, goodwill is ascertained by deducting actual capital employed from the capitalized value of the average profits on the basis of normal rate of return. Here, the capitalized value is equal to total average profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. And tangible assets is equal to total assets except goodwill minus liabilities to outsiders. Average profit method, second super profits method, and third one is capitalized method. These three methods are usually used in the valuation of goodwill.